Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So I know I have not uploaded in a long time. It's probably been about a month. But today I am back with another slime video. Today we're going to be doing an Umbreon slime, a shiny Umbreon slime suggested by my friend's little sister. And she also has a YouTube channel, so I'll link it in the description. Go check it out and go subscribe. And so today we're doing shiny Umbreon slime. And shiny Umbreon is a Pokemon, and it's a recolor, so we're going to be making a slime based on that. We're first going to start out with making a regular slime, so we're going to use clear glue. Just put that in there. Don't have that much left, but we'll see how we can make this. So that seems. Next we're going to do the color, and since Umbreon is black, we're going to use black paint. There's a little bit brown there. So I was looking for more glue and I found this gallon. So we're just going to, I guess we can make a lot now. That much. Seems like enough. Okay, and then we're probably gonna need more paint. Let's mix it up again. And since the shiny Umbreon is shiny blue, we have some glitter to make it look blue. Like shiny. I think it almost looks galactic, like spacey. That looks cool. Okay, so it looks about mixed enough. And now it's time to add our activator. And I use Staflo liquid starch. You can buy this at Walmart, or you could use detergent or contact solution, whatever activator you would like to use. And you're not going to add too much at first because you want to add it slowly so that it doesn't clump. Now you can add a little bit more. And then soon it'll get to the point where I have to mix it with my hands. So it's just... So this final result, you can see it's very glittery. It almost looks like outer space with blue stars and very galactic. And I would say it does look a little bit like the shiny Umbreon because of the blue glitter. So it definitely looks like a mixture of Umbreon and space. Almost kind of creepy because it's like Umbreon's skin a little bit, but I think this was very fun to make. There will be an upcoming video later, so stay tuned for that, and I hope you enjoyed, so thank you for watching.